Next, I'm going to introduce our project named Costudier. At the beginning of 2020, COVID-19 swept the world at an extremely fast rate. Starting in March, many universities in the United States have switched to online teaching. After that, most students had to face the difficulty caused by the online classes. Have you ever had the same experience? As a student in the Zoom university, the feeling of online classes will never be so real. And there's not a good way to know new classmates, let alone find suitable teammates. For most of the time, you can only face all the difficulties and pressures by yourself. Currently, there are several applications which students can use. However, they all have their limits. For Piazza, it's a good way to communicate with professors, but it's too formal. Lots of Chinese students use WeChat. However, one can hardly find new classmates, and the app is not so common for the other groups of students. When it comes to Facebook, due to its entertaining properties, it's also not a very good choice. Now, introducing the Costudier, your online study hub. By using Costudier, you can find and create groups on different social medias like WeChat and Facebook. You can see all your classmates' informations just like using LinkedIn. Also, you can create and share meetings appointment and let others to join. And most importantly, you can search for most suitable classmates for you to join a team. And also you can find a study buddy so you don't have to study alone. Here is the state diagram. The web page is written using Vue and stored in AWS S3. When front-end user first use the web page, the AWS Cognito and SES are used to help on register and login process. After that, HTTP request will be sent through API gateway and direct to the right Lambda function. Right now, there are 9 Lambda functions, each with different usage. And of course, they all need to reach DynamoDB for the database. And the search function also needs a support by Elasticsearch. Next, let's take a look at the structure of the dataset. The basic one is the core basic information, which contains the student list, the group list, and a meeting list which belongs to this course. There are some other supportive tables, like major and concentration. As you can see, the core set is the course information. You will have a better understanding after seeing the demo. For the test case, we already create 100 meetings, 400 groups, and 2,000 fake users, including their personal information with the help of AI Face. All the users' photos will be stored in the S3 bucket, while their personal information will be stored in the DynamoDB as mentioned before. Now let's see the demo. Here are our team members.